My doctors had told me to go in for a transplant and other stuff. My creatinine levels, which were rising rapidly, came down almost 1.5 point. Just helped me become very focused, given me path of life. Financial abundance started coming. The finances which were stuck for last 2 years, I was totally fogged. There were ways I don't know what to do, where to go.
Thank you, Pooja Taneja, for joining this interview. You know that this interview is all about how you manifested your health, relationship, and abundance after doing manifestation challenge and manifestation workshop. So my first question is before the session, we were discussing that what is the transformation you got in your health that is a remarkable.
First of all, pranam, sir, and pranam to Vishali ma'am because she's always there. You are not alone. She's always there with you. So
Yes.
pranam to both of you. Um, I am actually very very thankful and grateful to you, sir, to introducing me to sound healing, because these vibrations help change my health. I feel
I
more
was not aware of it.
energetic.
I was
I
doing other
feel my
modalities
breathing has become
with me,
deeper.
but the
I
way
feel
when
I've gained
sound
confidence in
introduced
my
in
health
myself in
and
my daily
less
practice,
fatigued. My creatinine levels, which were rising rapidly, came down almost 1.5 point, and where my doctors had told me to go in for a transplant and other stuff. So touchwood God's case, I'm now stable from last almost 2 months, and things are working well. I feel more energetic. I feel my breathing has become deeper. I feel I've gained confidence in my health and less fatigued.
Great. Thank you for sharing. Pooja, would you be able to share us pre and post reports also so that we can do the comparison?
Absolutely, sir. I will do it. Earlier, the reports were somewhere around 7.35 or 45, and after the test, it was somewhere around 6.2 or 6.3. I will share both the reports with you.
Amazing. Congratulations. And we want the level to go much lower than this creatine level, and glomerular filtration rate should also increase with the time.
Yes.
This should be the intention, and that should be visualization. So, Pooja, what was your journey during this time when you started? You can see yourself where your mental setup was there. How was your feelings, emotions, being at that time? And right now, where you are, what is your shift is there? We just want to listen that shift.
When I started with this journey, sir, I think you also told me there is a shift in you. I was totally fogged. There were ways I don't know what to do, where to go. It was sometimes, it is like you are from all paths, you are just crossed and you're just standing on a cliff to know where to jump. So
Hmm.
it was, I was in that kind of a situation, health wise, inner peace wise, relationship wise, financially stuck. So everything was doomed. But the moment, I think it was July when I started with the course,
Hmm.
and one by one, with health, with the clarity coming in my mind, opening my doors, determination. Um, it just kept on one by one. Financial abundance started coming. The finances which were stuck for last 2 years, they
Wow.
started pouring in. Not all together, but yes, they started pouring in. So we don't have to spend from our pocket. I started getting avenues where I could explore myself, where I could not even heal myself, but people were coming to me to get healed. So, this abundance is totally because of vibrations, sound, and the frequency which I'm tuned into now.
Amazing. A beautiful journey, right? So,
Yes.
during this journey, there must be some doubts or some roadblocks. Or what was your mental setup when you are moving just on trust basis, belief basis, action basis? What was your strategy?
सर, आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी जब आपने शुरू किया था.
Right.
It's a quantum energy, and energy flows where your intention goes.
Great.
So I did not set anything for myself. When I came to you, I did not come with any intention. My only thing was to heal myself,
Super.
and I just let it flow. And energy is working, sir, and it's working everywhere. I just don't put any intention. I just tell, just go where you have to heal me,
Great.
and that is what I'm following.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. I'm really, really happy when you're saying this. I'm having goosebumps because I have listened this Two times before also, again when I'm listening that I am having goosebumps. So you were sharing that you have also done before that manifestation visualization, but this time what was the difference? And second question along with that is that persons who want to manifest health, wealth, abundance, relationship, whatever their dreams are, what mistakes they make when they want to manifest something? Because everyone after the book secret and everything, everyone knows about these things, but not everyone gets succeed in these things, right? So what you want to tell them that what mistakes they make, and what was your mistake when you were not manifesting your health, wealth, and abundance in relationships?
Okay, I'll come to the first. What? Why I have done manifestation? Yes, many before this, but this has been a very different and standalone, I would say, kind of a meditation which I did with you and Vishali ma'am.
Thank you.
First of all, sir, it is very well planned and a structured manifestation process of 21 days,
Great.
where it is not you are just manifesting alone. It's a whole community
Hmm.
manifestation. So collective energies obviously, give a lot and lot of positivity to each and every person who's manifesting.
Exactly.
Secondly, the way it was structured and planned with proper, I would say, daily activities which were full of gratitude,
Right.
um, affirmations, self-reflection, along with self, confidence which it gave to you. Not to miss Vishali ma'am's voice and the sound with synchronized. So she has a divine voice, and it just transfers you to a land of, visualization where you really want to be and helps you get that. So that is very important in a manifestation.
Great.
Plus, when we share it with the community, we actually not share it for us. We share it to help them, give the support to them. So it was a total full package manifestation. It was not कि आपने just लिख लिया manifestation paper fold कर दिया और उसको रोज पढ़ा और हो गया. हर रोज की journey नहीं थी. Every day there was a new topic. Every day those sounds at the back used to suit, and माँ की voice आपको कहीं और ही ले जाती थी. So it was a full package.
We are very lucky that वैशाली जी is in our life. So अगर मैं
Yes.
अपना खुद का बताऊं तो सच बोलूं, मेरा भी अभी मैनिफेस्टेशन चैलेंज चल रहा है. I have done many times. So right now today I am at 18th day. So
Okay.
when I have to manifest, just it becomes a routine that मैं उसको 3-4 महीने के बाद रिपीट कर लेता हूँ खुद भी. So that has been structured like, जो हम बात करते हैं ना L shaped communication, हमें लगता है
Yes.
कि कई बार वैशाली खुद हैरान हो जाती है कितना अच्छा बना है ये सब कुछ, beyond the words.
Beyond, actually, it is not beyond the word. It is beyond. It is beyond universe. It is you reach into a metaphysical world where you just are into that zone where you are such a peace, such calm, and you visualize yourself what you really want in life.
Exactly.
Plus, what people do fault is they don't visualize properly. They don't visualize their dreams. They think कि होगा नहीं, हो चुका है. It has already happened with you.
Right.
Plus, manifesting one thing at a time is very important, sir. We trying to manifest हमें ये भी मिल जाए, हमें वो भी मिल जाए, हमारा ये भी नहीं. Manifest one thing, maybe a short term and a long term thing along with it. Don't rush into manifestation. Plus, do it for now, for present.
कल आपने बहुत खूबसूरत चीज बोली थी जो मेरे दिल को लग गई थी. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू अगेन, दैट आपने बोला था मैनिफेस्टेशन इज दैट व्हाट इज नीडेड द मोस्ट टू यू, हम
मूड्स
चाहिए.
वही बोलने वाली थी सर कि आप हम पास्ट में या प्रेजेंट में या पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में हम चीजें सोचते हैं और मांगते हैं, बट जो प्रेजेंट है हमारा, वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट. सो वी नीड टू एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट व्हाट वी नीड. I want to manifest for myself now. What is the most needed thing hour of now?
दैट वाज द.
Yes, maybe it can be money, it can be health, it can be a relationship, it can be as simple as that. यार मुझे एक फ्रिज लेना है,
हम्म.
मुझे जो आज चाहिए उसको मैनिफेस्ट करूँ. मैं लॉन्ग टर्म सितारे लाने के लिए करूंगी तो फिर वो सोचती ही रह जाऊंगी. तो
यस.
जो चीज मेरे हाथ में जो जल्दी अचीव कर सकती हूँ, दैट इज वाई पीपल डोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स, बिकॉज पीपल एम फॉर थिंग्स विच आर beyond their reach. Aim for things which are within your reach.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing this amazing thing, that this is a new opening for me also, that what is achievable and what you feel that you need that.
Yes.
Many people I have seen that they want 10 crore, 100 crore in their life, but they don't know that what they will do with that 10 crore, 100 crore rupees.
Yes.
Just think about that. If you give 10 crore rupees to them, they will just waste it.
Yes.
The universe knows that where I should send that amount of energy, finances, where person can impact more lives.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. Yes.
So, what is your experience with me, Dr. Sandeep Jyot and Vaishali ji?
सर हार्टफेल्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड है आप दोनों के लिए. मतलब आप दोनों से अच्छे गुरु शायद कोई है नहीं.
Thank you.
बचपन में जैसे टीचर्स अपने हम याद करते थे उनके पीछे, मतलब ऐसे आप लोग उनमें से हैं जो कि बच्चों को पढ़ा के छोड़ते नहीं हैं, उनका हाथ हमेशा पकड़े के आगे आगे उनको धक्का मारते हैं. सो आई थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट थिंग्स विच हैज हैपन टू ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर इन योर छत्र छाया, कि दे आर लर्निंग सो मच फ्रॉम यू. Because it is not the learning which you are giving as like, rote learning, किताब उठाई पढ़ा के, and you give them experiential learning. You
Thank
give them experience of life. You teach them experiences of life which they remember. They might not remember कि हमने पढ़ा क्या था book में, frequencies क्या थी, but they remember what experience in life you have to share and with whom you can do whatever best you can as a human being.
thank
So
you.
that is what you guys are for us, and you guys have taught to us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you. If in one sentence describe your journey in the this challenge 21 days, help me, how you explain that thing, that this challenge, this whole manifestation journey, for me, what does it mean in one line for you?
फिर लाइन्स तो बहुत है बोलने के लिए, but I would say
Well,
uh, it has just helped me become very focused, given me path of life, a path which is full of gratitude, not only to me, for all the people who are there in my life, and help everybody in life whoever needs it, because you are here to do good.
exactly.
Just do good and let the energy flow. Everybody has energy. Energy is never good or never bad. It's just a time. So
Thank
time heals it.
Exactly. Thank you. And last question, that what is possible for Pooja Taneja now onwards?
Anything and everything, sir.
Great.
Anything and everything. I'm already flying high with you in the fly high, and definitely whatever goals I have set for myself, with your grace and with my Guruji's grace, I'll definitely be able to achieve it. I don't say मुझे ये करना है मैं करना है. I go with the flow, and I want the universe to just keep guiding me and show me the path to walk on it.
Best wishes to you, Pooja. Thank you very much for sharing your journey, inspiring many persons. And your this interview will inspire many more to heal themselves and what's possible for them. Lot of gratitude to you, and thank you very much.
I really hope it inspires, sir. But more than my inspiring, your being in people's life is a great inspiration. And please keep up the good work, the way you are doing it,
Thank
and just keep hand holding us always,
all.
always.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to Shali ma'am also.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.